Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to analyze your data usage in WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp. Tap on the three dots on the top right corner. Here you can see the settings option. Tap on the settings option. Scroll down. Choose storage and data option. Here you can see the network usage. Tap on the network usage. Here you can see the usage and you spend the data in uploading and receiving, and the data you used for the calls, and data used for media and Google storage, and data used for the messages, and data used for the status. By doing this, you can create a clear picture of your data usage in the WhatsApp. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.